Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your bank feed on your QuickBooks. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is open your QuickBooks account. You can go to the quickbooks.qbo.intuit.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account using your login credentials, then you can find the transactions from the left side menu section where you can find bank transactions. So where you will find all the transaction, all the expenses that you're making on your bank that will show on this column and row just like this is the bank feed. So if you want to update this bank feed, you have to do is simply click on this gear icon here at the top right corner. Now once you have clicked on it, you can find lots of options from here, like you can make it like check number. You can decorate it according to the check number, the column, and also the pay. Then you can also turn on the grouping. You can set some specific transactions into a specific group, and so also you can add new vendor that is automatically added or turned on for default. Now from here you can find transaction details. Right now it is on show text field, but if you click on this show amounts in one column, if you are selected, you can find the amounts will be added to one column that is more decorated and easy to find out and recognizable. Again, you can click on this gear icon, and at the bottom you can find the page size here, where you will be able to choose according to your needs that how much transaction you want to see in a single page. For example, you want to see 100 transactions on your bank feed, then you can select 100, so it will show you 100 transactions on your one page. Also, you can max add it 300 bank transactions, so you don't need to turn over to the other pages or wait to load. So you can find in one page, and it is pretty awesome for printing this bank feed if you need it as a report. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.